Hey folks, welcome in this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about very important topic, that is which programming language we should learn for becoming a best developer or to get a job in Google. So guys, if you are wondering about which programming language you can learn to get a job at Google, Facebook, Microsoft and lots of other companies, or in a startup, or maybe for doing some freelance work online as a developer, then you have come to the right place. In this tutorial I am going to list down some of the best programming language to get a job at Google that you should master, that every techie should master. So now I will list down the top programming language for freelancers and programmers looking to get a software developer job in startup like Uber, Airnap or Netflix. So I have compiled this list by my years of experience and talking with programmers who have worked both at TechGens. So five best programming languages, or I will show you by writing down it here. So first is a Python, which is now most growing and fast growing languages. So I will tell about this why Python is becoming most trend and growing language. So because uh, at this time we know that Python is a king of all programming languages. There is nothing you can't do using Python. You can write waves, create machines, automate tedious tasks and many more. So the biggest strength of Python is the several modules or packages which are freely available. You don't need to write a lot of code, just search for the right package or library and include them in your project. That's why Python is becomes most growing languages right now in the modern era. For example, you can write a Python script that can scrape all freelance website and email you all the gigs you are interested in based upon your preference. In short, you should absolutely learn Python if you want to do freelancing or interested in getting a job at Google, Microsoft, Facebook or any startup. And if you need a resource to learn Python from scratch, so there are lots of online courses like Udemy, which is my favorite class. uh, so this is Python, which is right now at first, and second is a JavaScript, which is second most growing and fast languages. So I started this article with the king of programming languages and finishing it with the queen of the wave, which is JavaScript. So yes, I'm talking about JavaScript. The last decade was a decade of JavaScript and it became the first programming language to develop full stack web application. So it allowed you to create a both front end and back end of your application, and that can be tremendous differentiating factor while developing your project or hiring for startups. So for JavaScript course, just go on Udemy and there is a class, the complete JavaScript course build real project, and where you learn by developing a project of your own. So now the third is PHP. A lot of people bash PHP and it's very unfortunate because it is a great language and almost half of the web is powered by PHP. It's simple and you can quickly deploy PHP script just about anywhere. If you know PHP, you can do all those gigs. PHP is seriously great for freelancers that need to get things quickly. Now we'll come at fourth one, which is Ruby. So this is another excellent programming language for people doing freelancing or doing startups for the same reason as PHP. It helps you to get stuff done quickly. So Ruby is also a prevalent in startup. In fact, many successful startups are built using Ruby and Rails like Twitter, Shopify, GitHub, and many more. Now we'll come at fifth one, that is Swift. So today's world is the world of smartphone, and if you are not on your customer's phone, you are losing a lot of money. And that's why every company, both big and small, are investing in their mobile apps. All the startups need their mobile apps at the time of their website launch, and if you are interested in getting a job as a mobile developer in a startup, Swift can be a great choice for you because it is the Apple programming language for iOS, macOS, and many more OS. You know that you can build iPhone and iPad apps using Swift. So these are the 5 most using language right now in the trending era. So now you are following me right now and you are thinking that these are the 5 best programming languages, and then you will be surprised to see that Java is not present in this list. Being a die-hard Java fan and having done more than 10 years of programming in Java, it was hard, but the ugly truth is that Java is not for freelancer and startup. There is a slight chance to get a job as Java developer in Google, but that's very real unless you are like Josh Block. So Java is actually the best programming language to learn if you want to get a job in big organization and insurance companies like AIJ, but it's not suitable for startups and freelancer where a quick turnaround is needed. So I think you all are get it. That's all about the best programming language. Get a job at Google, Facebook, and many more. These are also great languages for freelancing, getting a job at startups like Uber, Netflix, or Airbnb, and building a personal project. So now I think you are now able to know about the 5 programming language to get the job in Google, and hope you all understand this why Java is not here. So hope guys it will help for you to choosing a right programming language and the right career for you. So thank you for watching.